Going on how to make shrimp toast. Basically get some French bread, cut it up, get some shrimp, chop the shrimp up, mince it up, and then you put some garlic powder, onion powder, granulated chicken powder, and what else?
Salt and pepper.
And salt and pepper, and then and scallion, and then you put it on the French bread, and you fry it like this, and then let it dry out in napkin. Shrimp toast. That's that. Before and after. So you gotta do, mix it up, chop the shrimp into that. And right to the fry. So what do you put in 5? Like medium heat, medium high. But make sure you cook the shrimp first, and then you flip it.